In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TurboTax on Windows. By the end, you'll have TurboTax up and running and know exactly what to expect during the process. First, open your Downloads folder. This is where most web browsers save files by default. You can get there by clicking the File Explorer icon on your taskbar, pressing the Windows key plus E, or opening your Start menu and choosing File Explorer. In the left panel, select Downloads. If you recently downloaded TurboTax, it should be near the top when the folder is sorted by date. Next, find the TurboTax installer file with the .exe extension. It will typically include TurboTax in the name and end with .exe, which means it's a Windows application. If you don't see it right away, try using the search box in the upper right corner of File Explorer and type TurboTax. Make sure you're selecting the installer you just downloaded and that it came from a trusted source. Double-click the installer file to begin. If double-clicking doesn't respond, you can right-click and choose Open. Windows may ask for permission because you're installing software. When prompted, click Yes or Run. This is the user account control or smart screen notice confirming you want to allow the app to make changes. Choose Yes or Run to continue. If you're using antivirus software, you might see an additional prompt. Allow it to proceed if it identifies the file as safe. Now follow the installation steps on screen. The setup wizard will guide you through a few simple pages. You may be asked to accept the license agreement, choose an install location, and decide whether you want a desktop shortcut. If you're not sure, the default options are usually best and will work for most people. Wait for the installation to finish. You'll see a progress bar, and the time it takes can vary based on your computer. It's a good idea not to close the installer or put your computer to sleep during this step. If updates are being downloaded, that can add a little extra time. Just let it complete. When the installer says it's done, click Finish. Some installers offer a checkbox to launch the app right away. You can leave it selected to open TurboTax immediately, or uncheck it if you prefer to start it later. Finally, open TurboTax from the Start menu or your desktop. Click Start and type TurboTax to find it quickly, or double-click the TurboTax icon if one was added to your desktop. That's it. TurboTax is installed and ready to use.